I want you to think about that specific moment when you open your banking app on a quiet evening, right after a long, exhausting week at work. You've put in the hours, you've dealt with the stress, and you've made choices all week to save where you could. But as you look at the screen, the number staring back at you doesn't seem to reflect the sheer amount of effort you're putting into your life. It feels like you're running on a treadmill that someone else is controlling, pouring all your energy into just staying in the exact same place. There is a quiet, heavy frustration that comes with doing everything you were told to do, getting the job, paying the bills, staying responsible, and still feeling like financial security is something that only happens to other people. You look at a milestone like $100,000 and it feels less like a realistic goal and more like a fictional concept, a number reserved exclusively for people who inherited wealth, stumbled into tech fortunes, or surrendered every single waking hour to an extreme, exhausting hustle culture. But what if the reason that milestone feels so impossibly far away isn't because your income is average, but because the blueprint you were given to get there was never designed for your reality? We have been conditioned to believe a deeply flawed narrative about wealth accumulation, one that tells us that building serious savings is purely a matter of extreme deprivation or earning an extraordinary salary. Every day, we are bombarded with advice that feels entirely disconnected from real life, telling us to cut out every small joy, track every single penny, or somehow discover a magical side hustle that generates thousands of dollars overnight. When those unrealistic strategies inevitably fail, or when the sheer exhaustion of living that way catches up to us, we turn the blame inward, assuming that we simply lack the discipline or the intelligence to get ahead. But the reality is much kinder and far more logical. The standard financial conversation completely misunderstands the relationship between an average wage and long-term security. The truth is that building a six-figure baseline doesn't require you to live a life of miserable scarcity or work yourself into the ground. It requires an understanding of how small, quiet changes in your daily behavior interact with time and math. And once you see through the noise of the traditional advice, you realize that the system isn't broken for you. You just haven't been given the real manual for how to navigate it. To understand how we actually bridge this gap, we have to look closely at the hidden psychology of how we interact with our money every single day, and we have to do a little bit of honest, simple math. Think about the concept of the first $100,000. There is a famous reason why financial thinkers talk about this specific milestone as the hardest one you will ever reach. When you're starting from zero on an average wage, every single dollar in your account represents raw human labor. It represents an hour you spent at a desk, in a clinic, or on a showroom floor, trading your physical energy and your time for a paycheck. In the beginning, your money is completely stagnant, doing nothing but sitting there unless you actively add to it. If you manage to save $300 this month, that balance only grows because of your direct sacrifice. This is the stage where most people get discouraged and walk away, because the effort feels monumental compared to the tiny visual progress on the screen. It is incredibly difficult to stay motivated when you realize that after a year of hard work and turning down dinners with friends, you have built a foundation that still wouldn't cover a major emergency or a few months of lost income. It is right around this point in the journey where I see so many people give up. And if you have ever felt that exact wave of discouragement, I want you to know that it is a completely normal response to an unbalanced equation. If you find value in breaking down these hidden patterns and want to help share this calmer, more realistic approach to building security, please take a quick second to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing the biggest financial myth you used to believe, as it truly helps this message reach the people who need to hear it most. The breakthrough happens when you understand that money undergoes a fundamental behavioral shift as it accumulates, moving away from being a direct reflection of your daily sweat and turning into an independent engine that generates its own momentum. Let's look at how this works in a very real, practical sense without any confusing jargon or complicated spreadsheets. Imagine a regular person earning a perfectly ordinary wage who decides to consistently protect just a small, manageable portion of their income every single month. Not an amount that forces them to live like a hermit, but an intentional fixed sum that they route away before they even have a chance to spend it. In the first few years, the growth is slow, almost entirely driven by those personal contributions. But as that pool of money grows and is placed into simple, broad market investments that historically grow over time, something incredible begins to happen beneath the surface. By the time that balance starts approaching the midway mark, the interest and returns generated by the money itself begin to rival the actual cash you're putting in from your paycheck. Suddenly, you aren't the only one working anymore. Your accumulated savings are showing up to work alongside you every single day, quietly compounding and multiplying even while you sleep. By the time you close in on that six-figure mark, the math flips entirely and the momentum of that accumulated wealth begins to do the heavy lifting, turning what used to be a steep, agonizing uphill climb into a smooth, self-sustaining descent. This realization is the ultimate turning point because it completely transforms your relationship with money from a source of constant anxiety into a tool for absolute personal freedom and peace of mind. For generations, we have been taught to view money through the lens of consumption. We are told that the goal of having money is to buy things, to show status, or to acquire symbols of success that reassure the outside world we are doing well. But when you shift your mindset, you realize that the most valuable thing money can ever buy isn't an object, a luxury car, or a bigger home. The most valuable thing money can buy is options. When you have a dedicated, protected baseline of $100,000 sitting quietly behind you, the entire world looks different, and the power dynamic in your life changes completely. You no longer have to tolerate a toxic work environment or an abusive boss out of the sheer terror of missing a single paycheck. You no longer have to make desperate, fear-based decisions when an unexpected medical bill arrives or when your car breaks down on the highway. That money becomes a psychological shield, a buffer of pure breathing room that allows you to stand up straight, look at your life clearly, and make choices based on what is genuinely good for your long-term happiness, rather than what will keep you afloat for the next 30 days. So, how does a person living on an average wage actually execute this transformation in the real world without adopting a miserable, unsustainable lifestyle? The process begins not with a radical, life-altering overhaul, but with the quiet, unglamorous design of an automated environment that protects you from your own natural human instincts. We live in a society that has spent billions of dollars perfecting the art of friction-free spending, making it incredibly easy to part with our money with a single click or a swipe of a phone. To counter this, we have to build an equally seamless system for our savings by setting up a process where a predetermined realistic percentage of our income is automatically transferred into a separate investment or savings account the very hour our paycheck lands. If you never see that money in your main checking account, you never have to expend your limited daily willpower deciding whether to save it or spend it. You simply adapt your lifestyle to the remaining balance, eliminating the constant internal debate and the decision fatigue that derails almost every traditional budgeting attempt. The next step is addressing a silent, slow-moving phenomenon that quietly derails even the most well-intentioned people on an average wage: lifestyle creep. When we are early in our careers or working through tight financial times, we tell ourselves that everything will get easier once we get that next raise, that new title, or that extra bonus. But when that extra money finally arrives, something strange happens. Our expectations instantly expand to meet our new income. The slightly better apartment becomes a necessity. The nicer meals out become a standard Tuesday routine, and the upgraded subscription tiers feel completely mandatory. Without even realizing it, we have increased our stress and our overhead without actually moving an inch closer to genuine financial peace. Managing this doesn't mean you can never enjoy the fruits of your labor or celebrate a promotion. It simply means choosing to split the difference. When more money comes into your life, you intentionally allocate a portion of that increase directly to your future self through your automated systems, while allowing the rest to gently enhance your present day, ensuring that your savings grow alongside your career without making you feel deprived. Furthermore, we must demystify the actual mechanics of growing that money, stripping away the complex, overwhelming noise of the financial media that makes regular people feel too intimidated to even begin. You do not need to spend hours analyzing stock charts, reading dense economic reports, or trying to guess which volatile asset is going to explode next week. In fact, history shows us that the people who try to play that hyper-aggressive game almost always lose to the simple, patient index investors who choose to own a small slice of the entire economy. By utilizing simple, low-cost index funds or total market funds through standard retirement or brokerage accounts, you're essentially betting on the long-term ingenuity and productivity of human civilization. It is a slow, boring, and remarkably unexciting strategy, but that is precisely why it works so beautifully for someone on an average wage. It requires zero daily maintenance, zero emotional stress over market fluctuations, and zero specialized expertise, just the quiet consistency of leaving the engine alone so it can do its job over time. As you step back and look at this entire journey, the true beauty of building a six-figure foundation on an average wage is that it fundamentally changes who you are in the process. The discipline, the emotional regulation, and the deep understanding of your own values that you develop along the way become permanent parts of your character. You stop viewing your life through the lens of artificial scarcity and start viewing it through the lens of intentional design. You begin to realize that financial security isn't a destination that you magically arrive at by winning a lottery or hitting an impossible jackpot. It is a structure that you build piece by piece, day by day, through small choices that align your daily actions with your true desire for peace and independence. You don't need an extraordinary income to achieve an extraordinary level of stability and freedom. You simply need the clarity to see past the noise, the patience to let time work in your favor, and the courage to start exactly where you're standing right now. When you look at that banking app in the future, the goal isn't just to see a specific sequence of numbers on a digital screen. The true goal is to feel a profound, quiet sense of calm washing over you, knowing that you have built a wall of safety around your life, your time, and your family. It is about knowing that you have successfully reclaimed ownership of your future, not by sacrificing your present sanity, but by mastering the quiet, steady math of a well-lived life.